Hello students, here we are going to start today lenses, okay, from your science 1. Okay, subject is science 1, topic is our lenses, okay. Now some points to be remembered before starting this chapter. Some points are there which are necessary to be remembered, okay. Now lenses, what are lenses exactly? A transparent medium which has at least one curved surfaces, okay, one curved surface as its boundary is called a lens, okay. Now lens, you all know two lenses are there, concave lenses and convex lenses, okay. Two lenses are there, convex lens and concave lens, okay. So in the same way, lenses can be classified as convex lens and concave lens, okay. Now convex lens you all know and concave lens you all know. Now what is difference between convex lens and concave lens? You all, we have already studied in the previous standard 9th, okay. Now see here, convex lens is what? It's both the spherical surfaces, okay. Both the spherical surface, you can see both the spherical surfaces are bulging outwards, right? Now see, you can see outwards it is bulging, right? At outwards is called as convex lens. It is also called as double convex lens because both the surfaces, both the spherical surfaces are bulging outwards. Therefore, it is called convex lenses or double convex lens or biconvex lenses, okay. Now if you go with the concave lens, so what is difference between concave lens and convex lens here? Concave lenses are where both spherical surfaces, you can see here both the spherical surface from here also and from here also, okay. Both the spherical surfaces are curved, right? Now curved inwards, okay. Curved, you all can see curved inwards. Both the surfaces are curved inwards is called as concave lenses or double concave lens or biconvex lens. Is that clear to you? Means this is what we have classified lenses into two. One is convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens is bulging from both the sides, okay. Both the spherical surfaces are bulging outwards, whereas in concave both the spherical surfaces are curved inwards, okay. Now we are going to see the terms related to spherical lenses. What are the terms related to spherical lenses? We can see now. See, this is, you can see this is a complete sphere, okay, complete sphere, and you all know every lens or a mirror is a part of complete sphere, right? Now therefore we say spherical mirror or spherical lens. Now here we are going to learn only lenses, spherical lenses, okay. Now see here, you all know every circle or a sphere has its center, right? Now here is the center, you can see at my pen is pointing towards the center C, right? So this C is nothing but your C, that is the center of curvature, right? Because this curved part is your lens, right? This curved part, how this curved part is you are getting this curved part? If you keep a rounder on center and draw the circle, okay, draw the circle, you will get this curvature, right? Now this curvature, therefore this is called as center of curvature, okay. So C is the center of curvature. Then the second is what? Optical center. Optical center is what? Here is your O. O is the optical center. You can see this point O, optical center. Now how you get optical center? It is a center of lens. You can see this green lens. Can you see this green lens? It is a convex lens, biconvex lens, right? Biconvex lens, and its internal center you can see optical center, okay. This point O is referred to as your optical center. CA, now you can see here C to A, okay. C to A is nothing but your radius of this circle, so you can say the radius of curvature. Then here you can see the pole P, okay. This is center of this curvature is called your center of this curved reflecting mirror, okay, or reflecting lens is called as your P, center of pole P. Then PD, you can see here P to D means a line passing from pole to center of curvature is called as your principal axis. So you can see here PD is denoted as center of principal axis. Here P to D is a principal axis. What is focus? Focus is a point where from optical center to a F, okay, it is called as what? Focus. This point F is called your focus. Okay, about focus we'll discuss in next video in detail.